Ta-da! What do we think, guys, huh? I really like the blue one. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today we're gonna talk about the SWATCH and BLANCPAIN collaboration on the 50 Fathoms SWATCH scuba watch, which is here. The SWATCH BLANCPAIN 50 Fathoms comes in different ocean series, let's call it that way. I picked out the Atlantic Ocean, and I also have an Ocean of Storms variation. As you can see, the Ocean of Storms I have left in the box for the purpose of the unboxing piece, but the Atlantic Ocean is already on my wrist. This watch is a collaboration of the first, and let's say a homage to the first diving watch, which is the BLANCPAIN 50 Fathoms. 50 fathoms actually means 91 meters, which denounces to the water resistance of this watch and the original diving watch from BLANCPAIN. This watch has inside the movement system 51, which is called that way because it is comprised of the 51 moving pieces. Power reserve of 90 hours, which is good, and the movement which is self-winding with a rotor. You probably were able to hear this. The good thing about it is the power reserve for one. The timekeeping on it is okay. Obviously it's not chronometer certified, at least I think so. What I don't like on it, that is not hacking, so setting precise time is not that easy. Possible, but not that easy. Obviously you need to let the watch stop completely and then set it at that particular time of the day, let's call it that way. I mean seconds. So it is possible, but not very easy. It does have a quick set date, which is good, so you don't need to wind it all the way around if you're not wearing it for a couple of days. But with 90 days power reserve, I go back to this. The good thing is that if you wear it for a week and you leave it in the box over the weekend, you're able to put it on Monday and it's gonna still work. Okay, it does come on this kind of NATO strap, which is made out of recycled fishing nets. At least this is what they are saying on the Swatch website. I think they look very nice. The downside on it for me, it is that it does, because the way how it is, if you know NATO straps, they run underneath the watch. It lifts the watch a bit up, and this watch already is not the slimmest profile, as you can see here on my 17.5 centimeter wrist. Size comparison, this is a standard Rolex Submariner ceramic two-tone version, which is 40 mm and the height of 12, I believe. So this is height of 14 and 42 millimeters. That said, the dial property I believe is a bit smaller than on the sub. The sub has, I believe, a wider diameter dial. That said, I really liked on the blue one the fume style of dial, which means that in the middle it's a little bit lighter and then it goes darker as it goes more out. All the things you see in the watch, meaning the hands, the hour markers, in the indices, everything is loomed and very visible at night. I believe this is super luminova because it is quite visible in the evening, and I really like that. The bezel is fully functional and adjustable, as you can see, so you can time things of this watch as you should from a diver's watch, which makes sense. If you never owned the System 51 movement, first thing that might surprise you, the movement does not wind clockwise but counterclockwise. And I'll come closer and you see if I do it like this, so I go back, you can hear it actually winding. Swatch also says that the glass on this is made out of bio-sourced something material, glass. Honestly, I believe there is no glass in this. This is plastic. They say it is anti-scratch treated, but you know, plastic is plastic. It's never gonna be as resistant as sapphire, which is on this watch. Funny thing though on this watch is that the bottom of the see-through case actually is sapphire and the top is plastic. I would think it would make better sense to put the sapphire here and plastic on the bottom, but hey, it is what it is, okay? So quickly to the unboxing. So you see I left the black one, so the unboxing is absolutely identical, and what you will get in the box is going to look like this. So it comes in an outer sleeve with some information on the ocean that you picked. This one, Ocean of Storms, is the ocean on Mars, which covers, and it says here, obviously I have lenses in, okay, it covers around 0.5% of the Mars surface. And on the Atlantic one it says, okay, let me see. So Atlantic Ocean covers 20% of Earth. A little bit of, and is the youngest of the oceans and is the most saltiest one. So that's for the one that I have here. All of them have a different kind of piece on the rotating rotor inside. Obviously, if you want to see that, you need to change the strap to something else, because this strap goes underneath the watch, and I'll show you this in the other one, in the Ocean of Storms, where I unbox it. So this one, this is completely black, because obviously the watch itself is black. And the story for me goes, a friend of mine called me from Salzburg and she said, look, I'm in front of the Swatch boutique, they have these watches that you wanted, which one do you want? And I said, I want the Atlantic Ocean, because I really love the blue color. And then later on, when I found that, they also released the black version, the Ocean of Storms. I said, wow, I would like to have that one. And the same person later on picked me up also the black version, which is this one here, but in Vienna. So yes, I'm lucky that way. So you get it in this kind of a traveling pouch, which is good. So if you're ever traveling like I am with more watches, you can wear one, like I'm, let's say, wearing this one, and I'm able to put the other one, let's say this Rolly, I would be able to put it in this case, and it's very secure. It is in a bed like this. So this is the Ocean of Storms, the black one. As you can see, the case is completely black. The case is made out of something what they call bioceramic, which is a fancy word for plastic with some ceramic built into it. What I don't like about this watch is that it says Swatch here on the side, which is, you know. Also, it uses the bar style attachment for the strap, which is not that easy to take off, so be careful about that. It does use 0.9 torque screws, and you need two keys to open this up and change the strap, so that's not that easy. The black one has the same dial as this one, although this one is, as you can see, fumé, but this one actually has a little of a sunburst effect. Let me take the plastic off so we can see this more clearly. So it has a little bit of a sunburst effect, which is quite nice on this black dial. There. So if you want the real BLANCPAIN, the real 50 fathoms, this is not gonna be the thing for you. I bought this because for me these watches are fun and I like to mix and match according to my outfit, and they bring me a lot of joy. If you have any questions about these watches, do let me know. Before I close this, inside the box you will get a manual, how to operate your movement, and also the warranty. The warranty on this watch is, I believe, 2 years. So that's it. This is what you should receive with your watch, okay? Any questions about the BLANCPAIN Swatch 50 FATHOMS, do let me know. As always, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.